Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating of a collaboration, a playlist, Ultimate Fall Wreath playlist. This is a collaboration between Natalie from Design to the Nines and Kristin Kay from Kristin Kay. I'm a long-time subscriber to Kristin Kay channel and I love everything she does. She's very creative. She always comes up with new ideas, new crafts, easy, inexpensive. She also has so much to offer. She does unboxings, reviews of new products, organization, everything. And I just discovered Design to the Nines by Natalie. And oh my god, if you want your home to look like the magazines, that's the channel to visit. She has a lot of inspiring ideas to decor your house. So please visit their channels. The links are in the description box. And also please visit the videos on this playlist, because I'm sure that you will find a lot of inspiration, as I said, and a lot of new ideas. So this is about making a fall wreath, and this is what I'm going to do. Let's get into it. Okay, I am making a rectangular wreath this time. Sorry. If you watch my previous videos, you know already that my daughter and I are dumpster divers. We even have a channel on YouTube about our adventures in the dumpsters. I will try to remember to leave the link below in the description box. It's a lot of fun, and also is a source of treasures. So both items that I'm using now are from the dumpsters. So it's kind of a free wreath. The only thing I had to buy is this peak. I bought it at Hobby Lobby last week, and I paid less than $2 for it. And of course I'm using the glue gun just to speed the process. Later I'm going to adhere everything, reinforce the gluing with a E6000. But now, to make it quick, I'm going to use just the glue gun. I also use this marker. This is a Pentel permanent markathon marker. Unfortunately, is not being made anymore. I was devastated yesterday when I tried to buy another one, because I have had this one for like 4 or 5 years and I use it a lot, and it has a pump here that allows you to revive, as they say, it says it here. It's better explained. Revive intensity of ink color, place cap on pen base, and depress color recharger button several times. And it works, it really works. Every time that I notice that the ink is not flowing as it used to, I press this button and it's like magic. But yesterday I can feel that it's almost empty. Yesterday I tried to get another one and it's been discontinued. So I am trying another Pentel marker because I trust the brand, but I don't know if it's going to be the same. Hopefully it will be. I use a pencil, vellum paper to print the word that I transfer here, and what I did was what we all know we have to do. I just painted or traced the contour, the borders of the letters, and then I place it where I wanted it to go and transfer the image onto this piece of wood with a pencil. And then I went and filled everything in with this marker. But we found with my daughter this piece of wood that I think is part of a I don't know, a drawer, maybe. I don't know, what is it? Something that was in the table. So when I saw it a DIY. I didn't know what I was going to use it for, but I brought it home, and here now it is going to be part of my fall wreath. This is something we found at Pier Import, and that day we found so many fall wreath. It was, I think it was, I don't remember, because it was this year. It had been like 4 months after Thanksgiving, and it seems they decided to get rid of all the wreaths. And when you are dumpster diving, you know that stores used to kind of damage the things they throw to the garbage because they don't want dumpster divers to find it and maybe resell it. We donate most of the things we find. I even repair, fix things, and donate it to Goodwill. In this case, Pierre's ones, what they do is to spray paint the stuff with, in this case, orange paint. But, you know, orange is one of the colors of fall. So people think, I've showed this to people, and people think it's the real thing, that it came in this color. So I don't mind. I really like how it looks. Sorry, I was out of frame. I was admiring the wreath. I'm going to place it on the door at my video room. I will show you a picture when I finish it. And so I don't mind. I really like how it looks. I had to remove some flowers here that were too painted, and they couldn't be saved. That's why I bought this pin to replace those flowers, and I'm going to place it here. This is going, I hope, to be very quick. So what I'm going to do now is just to assemble everything. As I said, I'm going to use hot glue, but this requires E6000 because it really needs to be glued. So let me see. Okay, I'm going to add some hot glue here. I'm going to add glue also on some leaves. For them to, get adhered to the piece of wood. Have to hurry because it's going to get dried very quickly. So I think this is where I want it to go. As I said, I'm going to reinforce everything with E6000 later. I'm going to glue some leaves here. What's the problem with the glue gun? It's just not working. I don't know what's going on. Oh, here we go. That's much better. I'm going to turn them over because they are in the wrong side. It has to go this way. So okay. Some more. Let's see this one. Am I in frame? Yes. Sometimes I forget and I go out of frame with my DIYs. Okay. I'm going to add the peak. I think I said pin before. I don't remember, but I think I said pin. It's a peak. So let me see. I should place it. Yes, I think it looks good there. Okay. A lot of glue with my glue gun to keep this in place for you to see how it looks. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to add glue to this side. I should turn it over very carefully. Here we go. Okay, I think we're almost done. I don't want it to get glued to the table. Let me remove this. And, oh God. The project is almost finished because, as I said, I want to reinforce it with a 6000 later. I place hot glue on this side of the leaf, but well, nobody will see it. I may try to remove it later. Okay, so let's pretend there is no hot glue there. This is the finished piece. I really like how it looks. I will show you later how it looks hanging from the door. I will finish the gluing process because it needs more adhesive here and there. For example, here. And okay, and I'll hang it from my door, as I said, from the door of my video room, and I'll show you how it looks. I really like it, really like it, mainly because it only cost me $1 and less than $2, and one of the biggest pleasures of dumpster diving is to rescue pieces that otherwise would end in the landfill. And we are really committed to, you know, doing something good for the planet. and giving others a chance to get, sometimes for free, sometimes from a thrift store, pieces of decor that otherwise they wouldn't be able to afford, because not every time we find things that are really destroyed. There are things that you can really reuse, so that's a satisfaction for us. But in this case, this is going to be for me. I'm going to keep it, and okay, I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will get a notification every time I upload a new video. Please visit the channels of the hostesses and the playlist linked below in the description box, and thanks to them for hosting the challenge, and hope to see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.